Okay. All right. So, guys, I said number one, it is the basics that are important. You have to know that when you're trading forex, the basics are the most important things. This is the secret of all forex traders. The thing is, there are things that you look down upon. You as forex traders, there are things that you say, this one is too small. This one doesn't matter. This one and that one. But let me tell you a secret. Those are the most important things. Let me begin with the first one. I said that I was going to start with the useless things according to many people. But these are the things that can save you and that can help you and that can make you a better trader. So what are they? What am I talking about? Number one, this thing that is called a stop loss. And it
Stop loss.
stop
Yes,
loss.
yes.
Number one.
Okay.
Stop loss.
Okay.
Stop loss. You know what? To many people, a stop loss is very useless. To many people, they don't see the need for a stop loss. I was one of those people who did not need a stop loss. But let me tell you what kept on happening to me. For instance, of having $50 in my account, I would grow the account to $180. But in the end, I would lose all the money. So then I kept asking myself, why am I keeping on losing my profit? Then I realized that I was lacking something. Stop loss. As a forex trader, you need this thing called a stop loss. Okay, let me tell you something. There is a difference between, you have to know this. There is a difference between, let's do this. Between making money and trading forex. Okay?
Yes.
There's a difference between what? Making money and trading forex. You have to know and you have to master this. This is very important. So, what is forex trading? Forex trading is the art of analyzing charts, speculating about future movements of the market. Okay? And what is making money? Making money is the art of taking advantage of the market movement to make profit. You have to know this. You have to know this. Let me tell you, many people, they are very good at forex trading, but only few people are good on making money. Why? Because these are two different things. That is why you see that many people, they have the best strategies. Even you yourself, once in your lifetime, you have had the privilege to have a good strategy. But did you make money with it? No. Did you make money from it? No. Why did you not make money from it? It is because you lacked the art of making money. Okay, you lacked making money. So there's difference between trading forex and making money. There are a lot of forex trading strategies. There are a lot of them. A lot of them. But
for sure,
why is it the people that are having it are failing to make money? Okay, I want to give you an example. Why is it you are given 10 signals? When you are given 10 signals, 2 of them will be loss trades, but 8 of them will be profit trades. But somebody will blow their account from that. Why? How come you are given 10 signals, that's 80% success rate? The only way you can blow your account is with 40% success rate. But now somebody have got 80% success rate, but still they blow the account. How is that possible? How was the account blown? How was it blown?
I get you. Okay, lacking that art of making money. Okay.
Exactly. They are lacking the art of making money. So it means that when you come to forex trading, when you come to this industry, it is not about what you have, but it is about who you are. This is one thing that you have to know. That's why I said that you have to start with the basics. Because the basics, they are the most important things. Today, I can give you the forex strategy. I can teach you now. I'm telling you that in 30 minutes, you'll be making money with it. But I know that if I do that now, nobody will make money with it. And now people, they'll tarnish the name, the reputation of my strategy. Why? Why would they tarnish it? How would they tarnish it? They'll be saying that it is useless. Why is it useless to them and useful to me? How come you will not make money with it? But how come I will make money with it? So it is in me, it is in you. It is not on the strategy alone.
That's it.
Okay, guys, are we together?
Yes. I'm with you, sir.
Okay, so a stop loss is very important. You have to know good trades and bad trade. If a trade have hit your stop loss, it was not your trade. Let it go. We need to let go. You know, I've realized that as forex traders, we cannot let go. We have a problem letting go. We want to keep on holding on to something that we see that this thing have no future. This thing is about, we keep on holding it. Don't hold a lost trade. It's better for you to lose $5 than for you to lose $50.
Okay.
So all those people that you see, let me tell you one mistake that traders make. You see, they are shocked with profit, but they have got a brave heart to hold. They cannot hold profit, but they can hold the loss. Why? Somebody can hold a loss for 10 days, but they cannot hold a profit for 10 days.
Okay.
So what are they lacking? The art of making money. So as we are in this masterclass, I want to teach you how to make money on the market. You have to know, not all trades should you put your all. Some trades they are just trades to give you little profit. Some they are for bigger profit. Some trades they are just like that. So in this class, I want to teach you how to know the good trades and the bad trades. In this class, I want to teach you how to spot the good trades and the bad trades, because that is what is very important, because that is what can only give you money. That is what can only give you money. So are we together, guys?
Yes.
Together, we are together.
Okay, no problem. Let me just do this. I'm also trading, so I'll be checking my trades as we'll be chatting. Always make sure that you're checking your trades, okay? Yeah, I don't want you to cry with my name. I don't want you to cry with my name. I can see one of my brothers is here now. You're welcome. You're welcome here too. I know you can hear me. Thank you, brother. All right.
Yeah, can you?
Okay. So now we said that we're going to start with the basics. So as for stop loss, that's all. So now let us go to lot size. Let us go to lot size. Lot size, lot size, lot size. This is where many of us die. This is where many of us die. Let me tell you a secret. The money is not in the lot size. In the lot size.
Okay.
But it is in the trade. Okay. The money is not in the lot size, but it is in the trade. Never bite more than you can chew. Okay? Never bite more than you can chew. You have to care for your account. Don't just take trades just like that. You have to take care of your accounts. Don't just take trades. Okay. So now when it comes to lot size, I have noticed recently that there is a high abuse of accounts. You know what? The money is not in the lot size, but the money is in the trade. You know, if you are trading on the market and you are using 0.01, believe me, if you can make $5 profit with that is 0.001 on forex currencies, Guys, you worked so well. Okay? You have worked so well. But now, if you are using 0.5 and you make $5, then you are doing nothing. Okay? So, most people, I've seen them that they are moved by results whereby someone will be using lot size 1 and then they make a profit of $30 on currencies. No, that was just 3 pips. That was nothing. You see? So the money is not in the lot size, but the money is in the trade. So what am I saying? You have to be careful on how you place your lot size. I want to advise you to always use the minimum lot sizes available. Avoid abuse of account. Avoid abusing your account. Love your account. Care for your money. Care for your money. Respect your money. Hello, guys. Respect your what?
Yes,
Respect your money. It's an investment. You worked so hard for this money. Love your money. Love your money, guys. Love your man. Love your man. Don't abuse it. Don't abuse it. So, in here, since I'm coaching you for a specific task, I think we also have to touch the area of lot sizes. What do we recommend? I think we have to touch on that area because we have to make sure that we touch every area and we perfect everything. So you have to know, guys, number one, if you are trading currencies, if it's boom and crash and your capital is minus $50, make sure to use 0.10 always. Are we together?
Yeah.
Together.
Yes, make sure to use 0.10 always. Guys, if your trade was good, this 0.10 can pay you $6 to $20. Guys, for a normal trader who understands the risk of forex trading, this is a lot of money. Because imagine if you are going to take one trade, let's say it gives you $5, and then you take one trade per hour, and in this one trade per hour, you trade for 8 hours, that's $40 profit. Imagine with 0.10,
Yeah.
that's $40 profit. Is it not a lot of money?
Yeah, it's a lot.
It's a lot of money. For a normal trader who understands the risk of trading, it's a lot of money. And imagine you had $50, which means you now have $90. You see?
Almost double of your account.
Yes, you see. So now you are saying that in forex trading, the money is in discipline. Your discipline. Especially if you are going to trade with one strategy, you need discipline, guys. You need discipline. You don't just trade anyhow. You need to obey your strategy. You need to obey your strategy. Obey it no matter what. Don't force the market to give you what the market cannot afford to give you. Don't force it to bless you with a blessing that the market is not willing to bless you with. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Respect your money. Obey your strategy. Follow your strategy. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when it comes to my currencies like to what do you call these ones? USD, JPY, Euro USD. Okay. Always make sure that you stay on 0.01. Don't increase your lot size over excitement, because that same excitement, you know what? You see here, we mentioned about making around $50 $40 per day if you trade for 8 hours, even though as for me, I trade for 18 hours. I start trading around 11 a.m. when I'm awake, and I stop trading around 5 a.m. when I sleep. So I trade for around 18 hours. I trade for around 18 hours. So just imagine $5 times 18. That's a lot of money, guys. It's a lot of money. So here you're trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. Okay? You're trying to make $1. You know this song, try to make $1 out of 15 cents. Okay? You're trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. You believe that as an investor, this dollar I'm holding, this 15 cents I'm holding will enable me to make $1. So that's the principle that you're applying. That's the principle that you're applying. You're trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. Okay. So always be careful of your lot size. The reason why I'm taking my time teaching you this is because, guys, as I've told you that I'm investing in you. I'm sowing seeds in you. I want these seeds to germinate. I don't want this thing to just go anyhow. So if I want this seeds to germinate, it means that I have to teach you how to do this thing properly. You have to do it properly in the right way so that you can make money. Are we together, guys? Okay. Are we together?
Yes, we are together.
Okay, that's good. So from lot size, we come to risk management. I think we have touched this one on lot size. Like how best can you deal concerning lot size? Which best lot are you to use? So I want to hear from you guys. What do you say about these lot sizes? Are they too small?
Yeah, 0.01 is too small.
Yeah, I know you, Lobelo. Yeah, Kaba Santo. Okay, you know what, guys? Let me tell you. This is what we can do. I wanted to come there. You know what happens? When it comes to lot sizes, don't use a bigger lot sizes. Rather, add many positions. You see? We are not crazy when we put 10 0.01s. We are not crazy. We know why we do that. Okay. One advantage is that it will save you when it comes to margin call. The broker, it does not close all trades at once. It closes them one by one. So when you have 10 0.01, when a trade goes very deep against you, number one, you have a chance to close other trades and leave other trades. You see the advantage?
Yeah.
Yes, you have the opportunity to trade, to close other trades. Like if you had like 10 positions on 0.01, you can close 4 and remain with 6. And those six, when they come back to profit, they will help you recover the 4 trades. But if you are just using 0.10, it means if you are in $50 loss, you cannot partially close the loss. You have to endure the whole loss. Okay. However, you guys, you have to make sure that this lot size that you are using, if the market goes against you, it does not wipe all your capital. Make sure that you always risk only 5%, only 5% only, 5% only of your capital. Okay, guys, 5%. If you risk 5% only of your capital, it means you gain or lose 5% of your capital. Okay, and as if you are using a ratio of 1:3 for your loss, 1:3 for your loss, it means that you are saying 3. You are saying 3 times 5. That's 15% of your capital that you will lose. 15%. And if you're having an account with $10, it means that you lose $50 or you gain $50. If you're having an account of $100, it means that you lose $15. Losing $15, you have given yourself a chance to trade again. You have given yourself that's $85 to trade with again, which is a good thing. It's a good thing because from that loss you have learned what to do. It means next time you do things correctly, isn't it, guys?
Yes.
Yes, Lobelo. Warring mood.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Ra. Thank you, Ra. Okay, so you see, risk management plays a vital role in you being profitable as a trader. It plays a very, very, very vital and important role. Don't worry. In the coming days, we'll get where you want, guys. But if we just rush there and leave these things behind, I'm telling you, I'll be wasting my time. I've worked with all of you. I know where we have been before. Okay, we need this first. From this, then we can go deeper and deeper. But just prepare yourself. Just prepare yourself. Make sure fund your account. Fund your account, especially binary.com. Fund it, even with $1,000. Fund it. We are going to boom and crash it. Fund it, fund it, fund it. I know what I'm talking about. But you know what, guys? No matter how good our strategy is, if we just give you and you don't know these things, then we will be wasting our time. Believe me, we will be wasting our time. Why? Because you just go there, you make a profit of 10,000, but then tomorrow you blow the account. It will not make sense. Also, another thing, guys, that I want to share with you. This one is very important. This one is very important. This one is very important. Please note, as you, let me use caps, as you trade, don't keep hundreds. Okay, where is my thing now? I can't see it. Okay, can you read it from there? Don't keep 100% profit in the account. Please grow a culture of withdrawing profit, 100% profit, 100% profit, no matter how big it is. Now, after you have withdrawn, you can either save the money to build a bigger account, or please buy something valuable with the money so that when things are down on the market, when you see the item, it reminds you that in forex, there is light, there is life, and there is money. It is just one of those dark days. Okay, guys? Yeah, always withdraw the money. Don't, you know what? If you keep the money in your account, hi, that money just have bad luck. The broker will come back for the money. Please, as you trade, make sure, I said, make sure that you buy something valuable with the money. You can buy a car, you can buy whatever, a TV, a refrigerator, buy something big, like just something big. You can buy a house tent so that when things are down, you have something to hold on to. You have something to make you believe that, no, I was once at this level. I can go back to that level again. Don't keep, if you have deposited $10, if you make another $10, take that money, withdraw the 10, make another 10, withdraw the 10. If you don't want to use the money, keep it in your Skrill account, keep it in your bank, keep it in your wallet, MetaTrader wallet, keep it there, okay? Keep it there. Maybe you want it to reach to 1,000 to 50,000. Keep it there. When it is there, you can fund again the broker. That way, it can also help you to judge your skill And also it will help you when it comes to discipline wise, because if you are now having big money, it means that you start using big lots. But then you know what? Every skill you have got its lot. This is the secret I'm telling you. No matter how good you are, you have got your own lot. Some lots are bigger than you. I'm telling you, even myself, some lots are bigger than me. If you see I don't exceed 0.50, 0.80, I end there. I end there. I don't go to lot size 1. It's big for me. Yes, I want to be honest with you. Don't go for lots that are bigger than you. Because if, you know what, it's all psychological. If the lot is too big, then you cannot control the emotions that comes with the loss, you see. So the lot size can give you big loss, which you cannot control emotionally, and you end up making mistakes. So you have to be careful with this one. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Let us meet again tomorrow. We continue. Our 40 minutes have lapsed. Let us keep on trading. Any questions, any suggestions, please, you can WhatsApp me or WhatsApp the secretary. My name is Nejo Victors. God bless you. Remember, we are riding and we are rising. It is money that we are here for. Thank you. Love you so much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.